Hi friends, your Captain B Benoflin Sam is here. So today I'm gonna teach properties of determinants part 2. So last time I have taught only 5 properties and still any properties are there and questions. So this is for class 2 JEE Max and your Captain B Benoflin Sam is gonna teach this one. Okay, so take notes for this. We'll give questions and you have to go for theories. Okay, we'll go it. Okay. Property 6. Property 6. Okay. Property 6. Okay. The property 6 means I'll teach this. Okay. So if they gave like this means like lambda plus a lambda no we can take as yes is beta plus b and alpha plus c. Okay, we can take this one and d e f g h I. So we have took this one. So in this sixth property they asking us if they gave this one, we can write as lambda beta and alpha, then D, E, F, G, H, I plus A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So what you have to understand is, see, for these kind of variables are same because they didn't add anything. Unfortunately, if it is a different variable but addition, then it is addable. That's how the sixth property was used this. And again, there is no subtraction itself, so we can do it like this. Okay. Okay. Well, we're going to do converse of this. Okay, converse. How the converse means, for example, I'll give for examples itself. Okay, wait, can you give something else? A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Okay, plus A plus B plus C, then A, sorry, not plus will not come, this one, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. If they ask to find the determinant, you have to do this one. So this is same and this is different. So you have to do this. A1 plus A, B1 plus B and C1 plus C. Everything will be like same only, like A2, B2, C2, this. Okay, anything. How means like I try to A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. So this is how it used like this. Okay. The second one of this is, and also I forgot one thing. Okay. See, it is also a column like this. You can write this. How means A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3 plus, if they'll give this also, right? A, B, C, A, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. They'll give you this also. If they give this minus, then the column is right. The column is different. So I am writing like this only. A1 plus A, A2 plus B, and A3 plus C. So it's the same. Only will come. Okay. So this B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Okay. That's how it used like this. Okay. Okay. Now, how means not only one, but you can do two times. Like how means we can write this like, right? Yes, we can write this one. Instead of it, we can write as lambda, alpha, and beta. So if you write like this means then it will come like this only. A2 plus lambda, B2 plus alpha, and C2 plus beta. But the complete will not go. Only any two only. So that's how the sixth property works. Okay. And the last property I think so. Yeah, the last property you're going to see. The last property as a property 7. The property is if D1, I'm giving like what variables like that I'm giving. Okay. So if D1 is equal to KA, KB, A1, KB, A2. Okay, I don't think this is it. Or you can write this. Sorry. You can write this also. Okay, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. And the determinant is A1, A2, A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. So, if they ask means, then the second property is D1 is equal to KD. Since this is a commonness, then we can write this only. So it is going like this means this is not good. But this also will come. Instead of that, this will come. This also will come. So this will be equal only. So that is how the seventh property works. Okay. So the questions time. Okay. Okay. Oh, one important is that in property 7. Okay. In property 7, I wrote P7, that is means property. So if they ask like D1 is equal to KA1, KB2, B1, KC1, KA2, KB2, KC2, K3, KB3, KC3, and the D is equal to A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. Then we have to means that we can write determinant is not equal to K. Determinant 1 is not equal to KD. Why means we have to count only one time. So this is 1, 2, 3. The time is this is K cube D. Why means it is 3 times so that the rows is this 3 times and columns also 3 times. That's why I wrote like this. So D is equal to K cube D. So that's why its 7 property is very very special. Okay. So we can go for the questions. Okay. One question I'll give. The value of 5 to the power 200, 5 to the power 300, and 5 to the power 500, 5 to the power 300, 5 to the power 400, 5 to the power 500, 5 to the power 400, 5 to the power 500, 5 to the power 700 is what we asked. This question is like basic questions you are going to see. the how it's used, I'm going to teach it. See, we can take as common like this, right? Solution, I will write solution. It's like we can take as 5200 into this common means we can take, I'm taking common, right? So see, if this we can take as smallest is 5 to the power 200, for this smallest one is 5 to the power 300, for this one smallest is 5 to the power 400. So in this one we can take as 5 to the power 200 plus 300 plus 400. If the determinant is 1, 5 to the power 100, 5 to the power 200. Same only 1, 5 to the power 100, 5 to the power 100, 5 to the power 200, 5 to the power 200. See, you can see this, right? Beta. अरे ये क्या है? Sorry. You should not count this. That's a very error. So have take as 100, 200, 300. So 100, 200, 300 because it goes on another value this way. Okay. Yeah. Definitely works. All right. But anything means one will come. I'm taking this one is very common only. So we are taking this, right? We are taking this, then its property, I already told one property, if it's same this means then it is 0. So and then 900 into 0 is equal to 0. That's how the correct answer was found. Okay, answer. See, you have to like memorize the but this one properties. Yeah. So if you memorize the properties, you can do it by yourself. Okay. 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 So how means? Okay. See, your homework has to revise the properties. Okay. If you revise the properties, then you can come in it. I have revised it. Then I can ask the questions like that. Okay, like PYQs, this questions and approve questions. That is very important. So make sure you like, subscribe and share. Okay. Thank you. Have a great day.